I use LeadCreator AI every day to generate leads, and now you can do the same and start for free. This is inside my LeadCreator account. You can see the leads that I've generated from the traffic to my lead magnets, and now you can start for free. There's a link in the description. All you have to do is go over to that link, click it, click try for free. It'll take you down to where you can see the plan to purchase it. And you don't have to pay anything, no credit card required. Simply just click get started for free. It's going to ask you a little information. Just enter your first, last name, and email address and set a password, and then simply click get started for free. Then it's going to have you check your email inbox, and all you need to do at that point is head over, check your email. That email will be right there in your inbox. Just click it to verify your email, and just like that, you are inside and you have your account, and you can click here to create your lead magnet. Once inside LeadCreator, inside your free account, you can enter your lead magnet name. You can create a category. You can also use any of the custom formats or the custom prompts that they have built for you here. Custom prompt, which interfaces with AI, ChatGPT, 5-point, 10-point, 15-point listicle, blog post to ebook, blog post summarize, YouTube transcript to ebook, YouTube summarizer, micro course creator with image and video suggestions, a fact maximizer, ebook creator. All of these are available. You actually get complete access. I'll go ahead and cancel out of this, but you get complete access to use everything. All the settings are available here to set up your domain, integration, scripts, tracking, set different colors, even create a nice footer for all of your lead magnets. The point is that I'm trying to make is it's all for free. You can just simply click here, and I'll demo this real quick. We'll create a lead magnet, how to grow strawberries indoors, and we'll just call this strawberries for now. We'll create that category so we have it. We could create a blank lead magnet, or we could simply just select one of these. Of course, at this point, we could just say, I'll go ahead and use a custom prompt, and then you can select a word count. Again, all this is available for free. You can start with the recommended, comprehensive, and persuasive, or you could go for the ultimate guide level, 2,500 to 3,000 words, and then you could just create your lead magnet. Here, I'll go ahead and create a custom prompt. Create a step-by-step for beginner's guide to growing strawberries indoors in a small apartment with minimal outdoor light available and on a budget. Then there are some personas here. If you don't know who any of these people are, then you probably won't use them, and you could just go with no persona. But if you do like one of them, you can simply just select it. We'll go ahead and go with Marie Smith. And then here you can set a point of view. You can include an introduction and a conclusion or not. You can also use negative words. So if you don't want it to use certain types of words when talking about this specific topic, you can enter those here. And then you can also select your reading grade level. Right now they have college, 12th, 10th, and 8th grade. We'll go ahead and select 8th grade, and we'll go ahead and select create. Here it's kicking off the lead magnet creation, and the AI is doing all the work for you in the background. And again, this is inside your free account. You get one free lead magnet with all of the settings available to you to test this out, so you have a good idea of exactly what LeadCreator can do for you. The content machine is in high gear. Estimated generation time is about 3 minutes because it does need to process all of that data and let the AI create the best lead magnet that it can for you. And again, it's doing it for free, so it's going to be really cool to be able to get this all set up and test it out. Then once the AI is finished writing your lead magnet, all you can do, or all you need to do at that point, is start formatting things the way you want. And of course, you have access to your original prompt here, so you can of course change that or have it regenerate. And again, this is all free. You have full access to all of the tools here inside of LeadCreator AI. So for example, if you wanted to come down here and you wanted to add, let's say we want to add a few columns here, we'll come down here and we will add a column, and we'll add some columns here. We'll go ahead and add 3 columns. And inside of the 3 columns, what we're going to do is we're going to add some images. So I'm just going to press the / and I'm going to select image. That's going to open up the image or the file selector, and it's going to open up the first image there. Then I'm going to click here, open up another image, or insert another image and just open up the file manager there. Go ahead and select the next one. Select that and open up the image, and we'll grab the third image, and there we have nice little row of images. Of course, you'll be making this exactly what you needed, and this is not a full tutorial. It's just to show you that you get access to everything. So you have access to all the templates, the standard, the ebook style, the blurred button, the video, as well as a no capture form. So if you want to go ahead and go with the standard, you can go ahead and set up your form. You can also do the double opt-in right here, so you can drive people back to their email to check all that. You have all the different styles and the ability to style your pop-up form. You have the blurred template, the half-page blur, as well as the on-mouse scroll. So you have access to all of that. And again, you have access to the full suite of integrations to integrate Zapier and Pabbly and Make and all these webhooks, as well as integrate directly with your email autoresponder. I prefer System. System.io works great, and they have a free plan as well. And of course, you get access to the social slider, the expiring URL, the scarcity maker. Then, of course, you can set up and add your domain right here, and you have access to insert your scripts and your tracking. Also set up a footer and play around with the page background. One thing that I like to do is I like to set the page background to a nice gray, leave the page color to white, and then set it to black and save that. Then we'll go up here and we will select Content Editor, and we will publish this lead magnet, and we'll actually click here and view it. Then here you can see that this is the lead magnet that you've created. And of course, you're going to get the pop-up to generate the lead when you send traffic for people to actually get this lead magnet that you've created here inside of LeadCreator. Just go ahead and hit this back arrow right here. Here you can see that you have your lead magnet. It is published, and you have full access to go ahead and copy that link and share it, as well as reset stats. And also you'll have access to the analytics, so you can see exactly how many clicks you're getting, where, and how all that traffic is coming to you by country, by source. Get a full view of what's going on inside of LeadCreator right here for free. Of course, if you come over here and you select create a lead magnet, select a new lead magnet to create, you are in a free account, so you have to become a paid member. All you need to do at that point is click upgrade, and then you can start creating more lead magnets and start generating more leads. Link in the description. Grab your free account. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.